Abdominal Flexion and Extension. Medically reviewed on the 10th of March, 2025. Abdominal anterior flexion describes the bending of the trunk forward, bringing the ribcage toward the pelvis. It is powered mainly by the rectus abdominis, which spans from the pubic bone of the pelvis to the bottom of the ribcage, specifically the xiphoid process and costal cartilages of ribs 5 to 7. The external oblique and internal oblique also contribute by rotating the ribcage downward and inward, while the transversus abdominis stabilizes the core. When the pelvis is tilted posteriorly, the rectus abdominis and obliques work more effectively. When the pelvis is tilted anteriorly, they are at a mechanical disadvantage and rely more on the hip flexors. Trunk extension straightens the spine back to neutral and relies on the erector spinae group, iliocostalis, longissimus, and spinalis, and the multifidus, which run along the back of the spine. Because the erector spinae cross multiple vertebral levels, they contribute more when the trunk is already flexed, whereas the multifidus provides segmental support regardless of the starting position.